Okay, today I'm going to show you how to log into your 365 account. This is Office 365. It's free to all of our students, and it's really important that you know how to get into this. So I'm going to show you, first of all, how to log into your 365 account, because it is a little bit different than logging into Canvas or your Chromebook or whatever. It doesn't matter if you're on a Chromebook or a PC or a Mac, it all kind of does the same thing. So this is how you do it. You go to the Granite Falls website and you go to Student Parent Resources and you come down here where it says Download MS Office Pro. We're not really going to do that, but that's the easiest way to get to the right website. So you click on that, and if you scroll down here, it's going to show you that you can download it on your computer. It's not going to do you really any good on a Chromebook, but if you have a home computer that you're using, you can download the full version of Office Pro for free. But we're not going to worry about that right now. What we're going to do is we're going to log into our 365 account. So I'm going to do this just like I'm a student. So I'm going to go ahead and click on loginmicrosoftonline.com. Okay? Now the difference is you're going to use your student number at gfalls.wednet.edu. Okay? Don't try it with the gfalls or any other thing. It's your student number at gfalls.wednet.edu. So you click on that. The password is the same thing for your email to log into your Chromebook. It's exactly the same password. So that should not be a problem. So you click sign in. Okay, stay signed in. Well, sure, for right now, we're going to stay signed in. Okay, what this does, it's going to show your name here. And it's going to show you all of these things that you get for free. Outlook, well, yours might not have Outlook, but OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, these are all online and you can use all of them. If you take a look at all the apps, there are dozens and dozens of apps on Office 365 that you can use. Okay, so if you click on that, it shows you everything that you want to know. If you come back here, it will show you down the side. You can navigate like that. That's all I want you to do for right now.